Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to change it up and build a switcher locomotive, as we haven't done one in a while. And we're going to be building this old BNSF SW1200 switcher locomotive. And this is what it looks like here, so let's get right into the build. So as usual, we're going to start off with the coupler, so take out a dark oak stair and attach that up. Under it, we're going to put a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then on the bottom on the next block forward, we're going to go 5 wide of dark prismarine stairs facing this way. On the next layer, a green concrete in the middle and 2 upside down dark prismarine stairs on either side of it. Then we're going to come in front of this with green concrete and do a 3 block tall T shape in the center. Then we're going to put a torch on either side of this second layer, and on the outer edge we're going to put 3 quartz slabs like this and 3 on this side. In front of that, do a 5x3 of green concrete coming out to each side of the tracks here. Then we'll come back here, and above each rail on bottom we're going to open a birch fence gate, then open a dark oak fence gate above each of those. On this top middle, put 3 bamboo slabs, then a fence gate in the center, come up here and crouch, and we're going to put a sideways end rod here, and a sideways end rod over here. Then in front of this on bottom, put a fence gate on each rail. Then in front of that, a netherite wheel on each rail. In the middle, a dark prismarine top slab, then 3 wide of slabs. Then 2 in the middle, and then 3 wide of top slabs. Then 1 in the middle, and a netherite wheel here and here. Put a fence gate on the front of these 2 wheels. Then we're going to go through and put a hopper on the side of all 4 of the netherite wheels. Next, we'll crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. And we will do the same thing on the other side. Put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper over here. Then on this side middle, we're going to put 2 dark oak fence gates here and 2 here above the rails. Then come in front of this with dark prismarine slabs, and we need to be on the upper hip box of the bottom. And we're going to go 3 wide and then make it 7 long. So a 3x7 of dark prismarine top slabs in the middle. Then on top of these slabs, we'll do a 3x7 of green concrete. Then we're going to come on the side of this, and on the side of these 7 slabs, we're going to put 7 string. Then we'll repeat on this side, put 7 string on the side of the slabs over here. Then on this corner of the green concrete, we need to put a single mangrove sign, then a dark oak fence gate. And then same thing here, a mangrove sign, then a dark oak fence gate. Behind the fence gate, we're going to put 5 sideways anvils above the string. And then same thing on this side, 5 anvils here. Then we'll do the other truck. So we're going to come on bottom in front of this and put a dark oak fence gate on each rail. Then repeat the truck design, so another wheel on each rail, and a dark prismarine top slab in the middle. 3 top slabs in front of it, 2 in the middle, 3 wide of slabs again. Then 1 in the middle, and another wheel here and here. Put a fence gate on the front of these 2, then 2 fence gates above the rails on each side here and here, and then go through and put a hopper on the side of all 4 of the netherite wheels. Then once again we're going to crouch, and we're going to put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. And of course do the same thing on this side. Put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper over here. Now come in front of this on bottom, and we're going to do a 5x3 of green concrete coming out to each side of the tracks. In front of that, a 3 block tall T shape in the center. Put a torch on either side of the second layer. Then 3 quartz slabs on this outer edge, 3 on this side. In front of this on the bottom, we're going to do 5 dark prismarine stairs facing this way. On the next layer, a green concrete in the middle and 2 upside down dark prismarine stairs on either side. On the top middle, 3 bamboo slabs. Then take a dark oak stair for this coupler. Turn around, stack it up to this middle green concrete. Under it, a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then we'll open a birch fence gate above each rail, and open a dark oak fence gate above each of those. Then one fence gate on the top middle, come up here and crouch, put a sideways end rod here, and then a sideways end rod over here. Now come up here on this second layer and do a line of black stone brick block down the middle across the top of this truck here. And on the side of it, a full row of dark oak fence gates right here. Then on this side, we're gonna do a full row of dark oak fence gate across here. Then we'll repeat at the other end, so come here on the middle, a line of black stone brick block down the center. Then a full row of fence gates across here. And a full row of fence gates across here. Then we're gonna come and stand on top of this and crouch and put a single dark prismarine slab on top of all 4 of these hoppers here. Then repeat on the other end, so come up here and crouch, and a single dark prismarine slab on all 4 of these hoppers. Then next to the hopper, we need to get an inward facing dark prismarine stair here, and an inward facing one on this side, and 2 bottom slabs here. Across this, 4 warp trapdoors, so it looks like that. Then we're gonna repeat, so a stair here on this side, 2 bottom slabs in the middle, and 4 trapdoors across here. And of course we have to do the other truck, so we'll repeat that same process for this one. And then one more side to go over here. So a stair here, a stair here, 2 bottom slabs on the middle, and 4 trapdoors across here. Then we're going to go through and put a skeleton skull above all 4 of these wheels. Then come up here and crouch and put a sideways end rod here and here, and one here and here. Then repeat up here, so a skeleton skull above all 4 of these wheels. Come up here and crouch, and put a sideways end rod here and here, and then one here and here. Then we're gonna come up on this 3rd layer, start at one end with our polished black stone brick block, and we're gonna go 3 wide on the top middle, and we're gonna bring that all the way across the top. And bring it right down to the other end of the locomotive here. Then once we have this, start in this top corner on the upper hip box and take out bamboo slabs and do a full row of slabs across this top edge to the other end. Then repeat on this side, start at this top corner of the upper hip box and a full row of bamboo slabs across the top here. And now the underframe's done, and we're gonna come down on the end that's closest to the anvils. So come on this 3rd block in from the end, a dark prismarine slab in the middle, 2 green shulker boxes on either side. Behind that, we'll go 5 wide with green concrete right here. Then we're gonna do 3 green shulker boxes on each outside edge and a green concrete. Then come on this green concrete here, put an acacia door in the middle, 2 orange concrete on either side. Then we'll bring 4 orange concrete across here and 4 across this side. Then we'll come back over here. Next to the door on either side, a column of 2 black stained glass blocks, orange concrete in the middle, and 2 orange concrete on either side. Then come here on the side, and we're gonna do 3 green concrete, 3 green concrete, 2 orange in this corner, and 3 black stained glass panes here. Then 3 stained glass panes here, then an acacia door here. Behind this, a green shulker box on bottom, an orange concrete, and then a door going this way. Then on this top outer edge, we're gonna put 5 outward facing acacia stairs up here. Come to this side and do the same thing, so 5 outward facing stairs here. Then fill the middle of this cab roof between the stairs, all with orange concrete. Then come on the corner here, and we're gonna put a white stained glass pane here, 1 here. On this end, 3 orange stained glass panes on the top middle above these windows. Then we're gonna come over here and crouch, and we're gonna put 2 orange banners over this side door to hide it on the side beam there. Now come down to this other end on the third block in the middle and do a 3x3 of bedrock blocks. Then, behind this, one block in from the outer edge on each side, do a full row of green concrete until it's just behind the cab here, and a full row of green concrete on this side, one block in. Then above that, we're going to do 2 layers of orange concrete and bring that all the way across till it's right behind the cab here. And we will repeat on this side, so start right here, 2 layers of orange concrete, and bring that all the way across this side, so it's all filled in here. Then we're coming down in front of the cab on top and do 2 rows of 3 dark prismarine slabs here, then 3 dark prismarine stairs going this way. In front of these stairs, we're just going to go 3 wide up here with green concrete, and we're going to bring that all the way across the top here. We're going to bring it till it's right over these bedrock blocks like this. Then we're going to take out warp trap doors for the top vents here, and we're going to come on top and start on the end here, and we'll do a 3x6 of warp trap doors up here. Then skip 1 block back in the center behind it and put a bell, and then a polished deep slate wall. Then skip 2 blocks, and on the third one, another polished deep slate wall right here. Now come back down on the end on this green concrete, and we need to get a prismarine wall here. And we're going to put a single wall on the top middle, on the front of it a glow item frame with a frog light. Then on either side of it, we'll do our number board, so put a dark oak sign with our number, which will be 3530. Same thing on this side. Then we're going to hit both of these signs, both with white dye and a glowing sack. Then we're going to come all the way down to the other end here. And on the top middle, above the windows here, we'll put a glow item frame with a frog light. And then again, on the side, a dark oak sign with 3530. Same thing on this side. Hit these both with white dye and a glowing sack. Then come on top of the cab, right here on this left-hand side, and put 4 orange candles. Then on the middle right here, a lantern. Then come on this side of the cab, put a sideways fence gate here, and open one on either side of it, like that. Then we're going to take out a ladder here, and right here, do a column of 3 ladders. Do the same thing on this side, right here, a column of 3 ladders. Now come down in this corner, put a prismarine wall here, and then a full row of green carpet across this walkway to the end. Then on the end here, we're going to put 3 green carpet right here, then start on this corner and start coming up this side with it. When we get right here in this corner, we need to put 1 single green concrete here, so that you can climb up to the door, and then a carpet on top of it. Then on this end, we need just 3 green carpet on this second block back. Next, we'll crouch and put 2 green carpets on each of these 2 shelter boxes. Then we'll do our railing, so take out a birch fence, and we're going to come on this side here. Right here, do a column of 5 fences coming up. And then same thing on this side, 5 right here. Then right here, we're going to do 3 birch fences. Then we're going to go to a warped fence and do 2 here, then come across here, and 2 here. Then go back to birch fences right here, and put 3 right here. Like that. Then we're going to repeat the process on the other end. So come down here with your birch fences. Right here, we're going to do 4. Then here, we're going to do 3. Then right here, 2 warp fences coming up. Then 3 across here, and 2 here. Then 3 birch fences right here, and 4 right here. Then go back to a warp fence and connect it up on the top right here, and start bringing it all the way across this walkway. Then when we get to this end where this wall is, we're going to put 1 on top of the end right here. Then we'll do the other side, So take your warp vents down here on this side, connect it up, and start bringing it forward. Then right here, we're going to come up one, over one, up one, and over one. So it looks like that. Now come on top of the cab and cover all this where we haven't built something with orange carpet. Then come up here and cover all this where we haven't built something with green carpet up here. Then we have to make some banners. So we're going to come into a loom with an orange banner and with green dye. And we're going to put a vertical on the left and the right, then a horizontal on the middle, top, and bottom. New banner. Vertical on the left and right, and then a diagonal. New banner. A diagonal, horizontal on top and bottom. New banner. Vertical on the left, horizontal on the middle, and the top. Go to orange dye and put an orange border around every single one of these. And this will be for our lettering, so we're going to come on the side here. And we're going to start here, one block behind this smokestack on the orange. And use the banners right here to put BNSF. And then we'll repeat on this side. On this side, we're going to start right here and use the banners on the orange to put BNSF. Then we have some more banners to make, so come back into a loom with a black banner, orange dye, put a border on it, make the bottom half orange. Then do an orange banner and green dye, make the bottom half orange, one with the top half orange. And on both of those, put a yellow horizontal stripe on the middle of each one. Then we'll place these. So take this one with black, that's for the window here. Then one here, and one here. Then come on the side with the one that has green on bottom, and start right here. Put 4 across here, 3 across here, and then 5 across here. Copy it on this side. So we'll do 5 across right here, 3 across here, and a full row across here. Then we're also going to put 5 across the bottom of the cab on the side here. And then do the same thing on this side, 5 across the bottom of the cab right here. Then we'll switch to the one that has green on top and come up in front of this stair. We'll put 3 up here, then 3 here, and then 5 across here. Like that. Repeat on this side. So we'll do 5 across here, 3 here, 3 here. So it looks like this. Then right here, we're going to put a single blank orange banner on the middle of each side to fully hide the bedrock on the side view. Now we'll do the interior, so come inside here with polished andesite block. And we're going to do 2 rows of 4 on this side, 2 rows of 4 on this side, then 3 on this top middle here, and finally a polished andesite stair here to this door. Then we'll put a black stone brick stair on either side for seats, on the middle here a netherite, with 2 levers for the control stand. Then crouch and put a single orange banner right here on this middle slab for the window divider. And now our interior is done, and we can come back outside. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our BNSF SW1200 switcher locomotive. I hope everyone enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.